Welcome to Sorrento, where the sun kisses lemon trees and the sea whispers stories of ancient shores. Perched high above the sparkling Bay of Naples, this charming town invites you to slow down and savor every moment. With just over 16,000 locals, Sorrento is a cozy escape filled with vibrant life and timeless beauty. Its Mediterranean climate brings warm golden summers and gentle mild winters, perfect for exploring all year round. Getting here is part of the adventure. From Naples Airport, a scenic train or ferry ride reveals breathtaking coastline views. Step into streets lined with pastel houses, each balcony bursting with bougainvillea and the scent of fresh citrus. Sorrento's history flows through its stone walls, whispers of Greek myths and Roman tales hidden in every corner. At the heart of town, Piazza Tasso buzzes with laughter, espresso cups clinking, and the warmth of daily life. Wander narrow alleys and discover artisan shops where woodworkers craft intricate marquetry, a centuries-old tradition. The Valley of the Mills, once a bustling center of industry, is now a peaceful green oasis beneath soaring cliffs. Sorrento's lemons aren't just fruit. They're sunshine captured in bright, fragrant jewels. Taste the local favorite, gnocchi alla sorrentina, tender potato pillows baked with rich tomato sauce and creamy mozzarella. For seafood lovers, Frittura di Mare offers a crispy, golden mix of the freshest fried seafood, a true taste of the Mediterranean. Stroll along Marina Grande, where colorful fishing boats bob gently, framed by cliffside cottages painted in soft hues. Marina Grande is Sorrento's vibrant fishing village, a colorful harbor where tradition meets the sparkling sea. Stroll along the waterfront and watch fishermen unload their fresh catch, a daily ritual as old as the town itself. The harbour is dotted with quaint restaurants serving local flavours, where the sea breeze adds a sprinkle of magic to every meal. Gelato in Sorrento is an art form. Try lemon or pistachio flavors that melt perfectly under the Mediterranean sun. Olive groves and citrus orchards quilt the hillsides, their colors shifting with the changing light. Sorrento's beaches may be small, but they're brimming with character. From sandy hideaways to wooden sun decks perched above crystal-clear water. Marina Piccola offers calm waters and sweeping bay views. Marina Piccola is Sorrento's main harbour, a lively waterfront where ferries depart and sunbathers relax along the shore. Wooden piers stretch out over calm, clear waters, offering perfect spots to swim or simply watch the sunlight dance on the sea. From here, the view sweeps across the Bay of Naples, making Marina Piccola both a gateway for travelers and a peaceful escape for locals. Early mornings here are magical. Soft light spills across the sand and gentle waves greet the shore in a quiet rhythm. When the sun begins to set, Sorrento's coastline turns to gold, and every beach becomes part of the evening's glow. From here, the Amalfi coast is just a short drive away. Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello, each waiting with their own seaside magic. Or sail to Capri Island, where turquoise waters hide sparkling grottos and secret swimming spots. Ischia offers lush gardens and peaceful beaches, perfect for a slower-paced escape. Back in Sorrento, stroll through markets bursting with ripe tomatoes, sweet figs, fresh herbs, and sun-warmed lemons. Taste olive oil from local groves, rich, peppery, and a true essence of the Mediterranean. Artisan shops reveal the town's craftsmanship, from intricate marquetry to hand-painted ceramics. Cliffside hotels offer terraces that seem to float above the sea, perfect for watching dawn break over the bay. Sorrento's charm is timeless. Every stone tells a story, and every breeze carries the scent of the sea and citrus. Sorrento isn't just a destination, it's a feeling you'll carry long after you've left its shores.